I'm Dr. Doornfontein, and it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the University of Johannesburg Chiropractic Clinic. The department is housed within the Faculty of Health Sciences and offers a BHSC, MHSC, and doctorate in chiropractic. These qualifications are recognized by the statutory regulatory body, the Allied Health Professions Council of South Africa, for registration to practice chiropractic in South Africa. In addition, the program is fully accredited by the European Council on Chiropractic Education, allowing for international recognition of the quality of program and graduate. So what is chiropractic? Chiropractic is a healthcare discipline that emphasizes the inherent recuperative power of the body to heal itself without the use of drugs or surgery. The practice of chiropractic focuses on the relationship between structure, primarily the spine, and function, as coordinated by the nervous system, and how that relationship affects the preservation and restoration of health. In addition, chiropractors recognize the value and responsibility of working in cooperation with other healthcare practitioners when in the best interests of the patient. Chiropractors are first contact physicians who possess the diagnostic skills to differentiate health conditions that are amenable to their management from conditions that require referral or co-management. We provide conservative management of neuromusculoskeletal disorders and related functional manifestations, including, but not limited to, back pain, neck pain, and headaches. We are expert providers of spinal and other therapeutic manipulation. We utilize a variety of manual, mechanical, and electrical therapeutic modalities. Chiropractors also provide patients evaluations and instructions regarding disease prevention and health promotion through proper nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle. Chiropractic treatment generally consists of highly specialized manipulative techniques. Such manipulations are performed by hand and consist of a high velocity, low amplitude thrust being applied to specific vertebrae in the spine or peripheral joints. Chiropractic manipulations are safe, and some patients can experience immediate relief. However, some patients require a few treatments in order to correct the problem. Due to the fact that chiropractic is a non-invasive treatment option, virtually anyone can benefit from chiropractic care. This includes babies and children who suffer from musculoskeletal problems as they grow older and their nervous system adapts. Pregnant women, chiropractors can help minimize back pain. Office workers who often sit in front of computers for extended periods of time. Factory workers who spend much of their time performing repetitive activities. The elderly who have years of wear and tear on their body, which can leave them more susceptible to different spinal problems. Athletes who are constantly striving to improve their performance and who often push their bodies to the limit in order to achieve their goals. Such constant stress on the body can in time cause much strain, and in later years, many musculoskeletal problems can develop. Chiropractic care has been known to treat and help almost any condition that is nerve, muscle, or joint related. Such neuromusculoskeletal conditions can range from neck pain, headache, including migraines, whiplash, shoulder pain, arm and elbow pain, tingling in the arms and hands, all the way to back pain, hip pain, leg pain, sciatica, knee pain, and even foot pain. Therefore, any condition that is related to any joint in the body can potentially be helped through chiropractic care. We are pleased to announce the opening of the newly renovated Chiropractic Clinic, housed in the Health Training Centre on the Doornfontein campus of the University of Johannesburg, where MHSC students provide chiropractic care under the supervision of qualified chiropractors. Our facility is the largest chiropractic clinic in South Africa, serving approximately 900 patients per month and offering state-of-the-art treatment and intervention technology, such as IA-stim, shockwave, and EMS electrotherapeutic modalities. During the pandemic, the clinic functions under strict COVID-19 regulations to ensure a safe environment for patients, students, and staff. Rates at the clinic are kept low to ensure availability to all sectors of the community. As treatments are performed by students, treatment cannot be refunded by medical aids. Should you wish to make an appointment, please contact 011 559 6493. We look forward to welcoming you to our clinic.
The University of Johannesburg, the future reimagined.